Today I'm with the 1967 Mercedes Benz 230 SL Pagoda, and in this video I'm going to show a lot of the small intricate interior details that make this restoration special. I also think it'll be a great video for those to reference after the auction to see what a restoration of this quality entails. So let's start with the seats. We do not buy seat covers and install them. We source the raw leather hides from Germany and then stitch each of them in-house to the specific seat, so it's a perfect glove tight fit. Underneath here, the springs we sandblast, zinc plate, and then powder coat. I don't know anyone else that powder coats the seat inside, but you can't see. The tracks here are sandblasted, then zinc plated. New chrome here. The Kinder seat manufacture all the construction used in the Kinder seat in the back, the wood, as well as new wood here. What we do is, for all the parts we manufacture in-house, we have a new Mercedes part as reference that we use as a template when we make our own parts. So like I said, underneath here, the wood's all new, as well as the construction of the seat. New chrome in the back. Everywhere on this, we use new chrome screws. We do not reuse old screws. We do not use stainless screws. There are new screws everywhere, and they're all chrome. Door panels here, just like the seats, we stitch and make these in-house from raw hide. New door felt in here from Mercedes Benz. The door roller here is new. We manufacture that on a lathe. It's not 3D printed. Door sills here are new from Mercedes, new rubber. This is new as well. So all Pagoda enthusiasts know the steering wheel and shift knob should always match, whether it's ivory and ivory or black and black. We take it one step further. We match the ivory down here, as well as on the emergency brake handle. Little details. Let's talk about the steering wheel. It takes one person between 40 and 50 hours just to restore the steering wheel. So what we do is we plastic weld the cracks, because as you know, all steering wheels from Mercedes-Benz of this era cracked. But we use plastic weld instead of Bondo to fill the cracks. That way it'll last as long as possible. And then someone spends all the time to hand sand in these grooves here on the steering wheel. Then once all that's done and prepped, it actually goes into the spray booth, the same spray booth that we use to spray the outside of the car, and gets sprayed. And that's the finish. The new ivory emblem there, as well as the correct leather. Horn ring is restored. While I'm talking about that, I forgot to honk it in the driving video. Someone asked about the horns. They are new Bosch. The wood here is restored in the correct finish. It's what I call a natural open grain satin finish. It is not gloss. It is not plastic looking. And then the fitment is absolutely perfect. It takes one man between 3 and 4 whole days. So let's call that over 30 hours just to get it fitted properly. If you see, there are no gaps under here. There are no gaps under the front of the speaker. You can't even put a piece of paper under here. It fits absolutely perfect. You can see where the two pieces of wood join together. It's straight, and then all the way across, and in this corner it is tight as well. The tachometer and the speedometer have been restored, as well as new chrome rings here. So we have a Euro rear end out of a 280 SL, and when this was restored in Germany, it was matched perfectly to the rear end to read the correct speed. So the glove box is perfectly straight across. A lot of time these are not fitted level. It takes between 15 and 20 hours or 2 whole days to get that perfectly fitted. Glove box opens and closes. It does not have to be locked to stay closed. Emergency brake we completely take apart. This gets re-chromed, this gets painted, and then reassembled and put all back together. All the under dash covers are new. We don't reuse the old ones. They are new. This mirror has been restored, new chrome, as well as the mounting plate has been re-chromed as well. New visors. No goofy stitching. These are new manufactured visors. More new chrome screws everywhere. The leather in the dash here is wrapped properly. It's not left bare. Something I want to show in the trunk here are the taillight circuit boards. So we take these apart, completely disassemble, sandblast, re-zinc plate them, and then these thumb screws or nuts are remanufactured by us in-house. They're new. All new bulbs everywhere in the car, of course.